Welcome to This Ready to Craft. In this video, I will show you how to create a marvelous Valentine's Day mobile using Readi-Board. To begin, I've cut my foam board down to a usable size. I'm going to use spray adhesive to attach this metallic wrapping paper to my foam board. I found this paper at my local dollar store. When you're using spray adhesive, make sure to protect your work area and work in a well-ventilated space. To use a scrap piece of foam board to help me smooth down the paper. Oftentimes, you can smooth out these wrinkles with a little bit of effort. Also, may be able to lift the corner of the paper and try smoothing it out again. I'll concentrate on attaching one side first. Then flip the project over and attach the other. After printing out the provided template, you should have 2 pages of matching hearts. You can see I've used red metallic paper to cover this other piece of foam board. Now I'll use a thin layer of rubber cement to attach my template to the foam board. Then, with a new blade in my hobby knife, I'll begin to cut out my hearts. For the interior hearts, take care to not stray from the dotted line. You can see I use my pinky to help guide my cuts. I also check from the back to make sure that my blade has gone all the way through. With that outer ring safely set aside, the thinner sections in between the dotted lines can simply be cut away. My 2 heart sets cut out, and I've removed my template pieces. Now I'm going to swap pieces to alternate colors. able to string our mobile, we are going to need to make some holes for our string to travel through the heart pieces. I like to use a paper clip for this, as it's conveniently about the same size as my string. I'm going to use some fabric and Mod Podge to create the beads that go in between the heart sections. Creating my own beads means that I can make them whatever size is necessary. Using a simple coffee straw to act as the center of my bead. Try to roll the fabric as tightly as you can against it. These to dry completely before trying to work with them. For the bottom of my mobile, I'm going to use this cute crystal heart that I had laying around. I'll cut the excess fabric off of my roll. And then cut an appropriate bead size. Be careful it doesn't get away from you like this. I'm using this bead to cover the knot. I'm looking at my heart pieces to decide how wide I need to cut my beads. I also keep my paper clip handy in case I need to push around any more of the foam. I'm also just adding a little bit of clear tape to the end of my string to make it go through the holes a little easier. The beads help maintain the spacing in between the heart shapes. When you cut the beads off of the roll, they may get a little squished. You can simply reshape them with your fingers. You could continue to add beads between the shapes on this upper portion. I chose not to. When tying the knot at the very top, I'm using the paper clip to make sure that my knot is very close to the edge of this heart. Use the extra string to attach your mobile to whatever you like. If you try this craft out, we'd love to see it. Our social media links can be found in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If there's a foam board craft that you would like to see a ready to craft of, let us know in the comments.